Welcome to NASA Space App Challenge 2022. Our team name is Expectation Zero. This is our team. We have Faim Muntazir as the team lead, Farzana Rahman Shupti as project analyst, Labib Hassan as front-end developer, and Shoaib Hossein as back-end developer, and Rakibul Hassan as the data analyst. I am presenting our project whose name is On the Way to the Sun. Going back to the story, on April 28, 2021, when NASA's Revolutionary Solar Probe became the first spacecraft to touch the sun for the first time in human history. And our goal is to devise a strategy that will allow us to tell our younger audience the remarkable narrative of Parker's record breaking voyage from Earth to Sun, as well as of difficulties he overcome along the way in our native language. The major barrier between the knowledge and the native learner is the language. It gets more difficult for many to understand new things in a foreign language. Besides, the web applications are not even user friendly, just stuffed with unnecessary information which may leave the target audience in dark. And we have tried to ease those with our approaches by making a web application with user-friendly user interface and user experience. We have also planned to launch various awareness campaigns through our web app for the young learners, from which they can have a closer and cleaner look at space science in our native language. The planned design are simple, straightforward, and exactly to the point, which will be very easy to grasp. For our system architecture, as our primary process was to animate all the surroundings elements of the sun with a Parker solar probe to visualize. Ideally, we will use JavaScript library named 3JS that can render 3D object through web GUI on the web page. For real-time synchronization of the object, we will use NASA's sophisticated cloud API in our web application.
The main feature of our website will be the native language with real-life data from NASA using NASA's API. We will create 3D animation of our solar system and navigation and add audio explanations of critical analysis and animation for a better understanding of the Parker Solar Probe. In the front end, we have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. Behind the UI UX, the backend is supported by Node.js and NASA's API. In the database, we used MySQL and we use Trello as primary means of communication, GitHub as the repository for our code. Our partners for this project are NASA Space App Challenge Bangladesh, Cloud Camp Bangladesh, Bangladesh Meteorological Department, and Bangladesh Association of Software and Information Services. From intensive research about our existing fellow competitors, we found their web apps use outdated technologies with learner unfriendly designs and dairy method of interactions, which tends to discourage learners. To outstand those, we have highlighted distinctive qualities and easily understandable layouts which will boost interest and action and give the user a delightful experience. At last but not the least, it wouldn't have been possible without all those data, API, and pieces of information that were always ready to use at our great in blogs of Parker Solar Probe and the official site of NASA. Thank you.